Welcome to Kickbox Fit. I'm your trainer, Alex. Today, we're gonna go over 3 different ways you can throw the roundhouse kick. As we go through these 3 different ways to throw the roundhouse kick, we'll be throwing it with both the front leg and the back leg with the same technique. I'm gonna be going over what I think is the easier version to the harder version to master. Not perform, but to master. So the first one is we're gonna step our lead foot to open up our hips. My right foot's back. I'm gonna step open, step it, open. I start pivoting already, so almost to a half pivot, making it easy to pick up my back knee and throw that roundhouse kick. All right, let's do it again, a little bit faster. Open, kick, and finally, open, kick. Same thing with the lead leg. Okay, my hands are up. My back foot is gonna step open again. Now, it's not stepping this way. I'm stepping on a 45. This is gonna help position my body to throw my weight through the target. So step, open it up, my lead leg throws the roundhouse kick. Again, step, kick. One more time, step, open the hips, throw the kick. The second way we're gonna throw it is we're just gonna pick up our rear leg and then we're gonna throw it almost wide, kind of like a swinging a baseball bat. So my hands are up, nice and light in your feet. I'm picking up my knee a little bit wide, okay? Swing it through and use that motion to turn my body through the target. Pick it up, swing it through. Again, picking it up. Here, nice and wide. Swinging my leg, pivoting the bottom foot. All these, you have to pivot the bottom foot if you want to get the most damage into the target. Pick it up the knee, swing. One more time, pick it up the knee nice and wide, swing. Same thing with the front leg. Pick it up my knee, wide, almost like I'm opening up my hip. Swing it. Again, picking up over the hip, swing. One more time, opening up that hip, swing it. Third version, and my favorite. We're gonna pick up the knee, point the knee straight, and then we're working on turning the hips, the snap of the kick, and the pivot all together into the target. So it's all one motion. So when we go slow, back knee comes on up, point to the target. I'm gonna go slow first. Now, as I start to throw the kick, my bottom foot's gonna pivot at the same time, pivoting the heel and throwing the kick. Doesn't look good when you go slow, but when you go a little bit faster, put them more together. Again, one more time, pick it up the knee, pivoting the bottom foot, into the target. Same thing with the lead leg. Hands are up, I pick up the knee, pointing it, pivoting the kick, again. Knee comes up, pivot, throw the kick. 3 ways to throw the roundhouse kick. Following this, I'm gonna have a workout so you guys can practice it. Until next time, guys.